How to access the clipboard on Android. This tutorial shows you multiple ways to view and manage your clipboard history. First, open any app with a text input field, like Messages, Notes, or Email. Next, tap on the text field to bring up the keyboard. Following that, long press on the text field until a menu appears. Now, look for the clipboard option or icon in the menu and tap on it. Moving forward, you'll see your clipboard history, showing recently copied text, links, and images. Afterwards, you can scroll through the list to view all items you've copied recently. In addition to that, tap on any item from the clipboard to paste it into your text field. Once there, you can also delete individual items by tapping the trash icon next to them. Subsequently, if you want to pin important items, long press on a clipboard entry and select Pin. Moreover, pinned items will stay in your clipboard permanently until you manually remove them. Afterwards, you can also access Clipboard through your keyboard settings. Then, open your keyboard by tapping any text field and look for the clipboard icon on the keyboard toolbar. Within the keyboard, tap the clipboard icon to view and manage your copied items directly. Alternatively, some Android devices allow you to access Clipboard through Settings, under General Management or Language and Input. Once you've selected what you need, simply tap to paste it wherever you want. And that's it. If this clipboard guide helped you manage your copied content better, drop a like, subscribe for more Android productivity tips, and enable the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.